Hello everyone, this is session number 4 of lesson number 3, Microsoft Word 2010. In this session we are going to learn first how to insert hyperlink and how to insert equation and symbols. Actually the beginning of this chapter started with word thesaurus, okay. That point we are going to learn at the end because it's in a review tab, okay. And today we are going to learn what the commands from the insert tab, okay. And in insert hyperlink and insert equation, these commands are present. So first we are going to learn what these commands. So let's see first what is hyperlink. Hyperlink, it can be a text or an object, it can be a picture, okay, or clip art, okay, and which contain what address of another program, okay. It can be a web page, website, or any local program or application, okay. And whenever we click on it, then it call or it open what that program. Generally hyperlink or hypertext appear with the blue color and underline font style, okay. And whenever you will click, it will open a program for you. And whenever you will move the mouse pointer over the hyperlink or hypertext, then mouse pointer changes to a hand, okay. There are two types of hyperlink. First one, it is internal hyperlink, which call what the another web page of, or which call what another part of what the document. And the next one, that is external hyperlink, which open or which call what a external program, okay. That means there are two types of hyperlink. Internal hyperlink, which call what a another portion of same document, and next one, that is external hyperlink, which call or which open what another or external program, okay. Then let's see how to insert hyperlink. Now we have to insert what a hyperlink. So before that, first we should open what a Microsoft Office Word. So here we have a Microsoft Office Word, and before insert hyperlink, first we should write something here, because it require what any text or object, okay, understand, to insert what hyperlink or to insert what link of another program, okay. So I'm going to enter what a text. Click here to open Google, okay. Click here, open Google search engine, okay. So whenever user will click here, then we have to open what a Google search engine. Then let's see how to insert hyperlink for click here. So to insert hyperlink, just select click here, then click to insert. When you click to insert, then insert tab will show or will open what the different commands. From these commands you have to call hyperlink. Now click to hyperlink. Before that, you have to select a text, to which text you want to insert hyperlink. Then select here the browsed pages, right here www.google.com, okay. Then click to OK. Now hyperlink is inserted for click here, okay. Now when you will click, it will open program, but you need to take a reference of what a key from the keyboard, okay, and that key is Control plus click, okay. That means you have to press or you have to hold Control key first. So when you press Control key, then mouse pointer changes to a hand. When you release it, then it will turn to I-beam, okay. Now let's see how to remove this hyperlink. I hope you all understand how to insert hyperlink. To insert hyperlink of any internal or external program, okay, then you have to follow these steps. Just click to insert button, then from insert you have to call a hyperlink from links group, and then you have to enter here what the website address or the bookmark, okay, if it is internal hyperlink. At the end you have to click to OK. So these are the steps to insert what a hyperlink for selected text. You can insert hyperlink for shape or for picture, and these are objects. That means in common you can insert what the insert hyperlink, okay, for both shape and what the picture, okay. Now let's see how to remove this hyperlink. To remove hyperlink, you have to select this hyperlink. At the end you have to click to insert, then from insert you have to call hyperlink. Then when you click to hyperlink, then will open edit hyperlink dialog box. Then you have to click to remove hyperlink or remove link. when you click on it, it will remove what the hyperlink, or it will cancel what the link, okay, with that web page or with that program. Okay, so now it's not showing what any blue effect or blue color effect or blue color font, okay, and underline also. And whenever you will press control, then also it will not turn mouse pointer, or mouse pointer will not turn to a hand. So these are the steps to remove hyperlink. Then let's see what is next. After the hyperlink, or next point from this lesson, that is insert equation. So let's see how to insert equation. So to insert any equation in Microsoft Office Word, then you can, because this is another interesting feature of Word or Microsoft Word, that is it allows us to work with what the mathematical equations, and you not need to prepare what those equations, okay. Actually these are inbuilt, these are ready made. Simply you have to call those equations by using what the equations command, okay, and it's providing what some inbuilt templates, okay. By using those templates, you can customize here what the equation, that means any particular equation is not present, then you can customize, you can create that equation, okay, by using what the groups which are there in design. These are symbol group and structure groups, okay. That means using structures group and symbol group, you can create or you can customize any particular equation. Now let's see first how to insert equation. So to insert any particular equation, you have to go to the insert tab, then click to equation command, okay. You have to click to this drop down list, then you have to click to the insert new equation, okay, and then you have to go to the design tab, then go to the equation command, okay, from tools group, then you have to choose the required equation. Like I'm going to add here a quadratic formula, okay, that is minus b plus minus the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, okay. So this equation I'm going to use it, it is the, okay, that means you not need to prepare it manually, okay, it is already present. If you want to customize it, you can customize it, okay, understand. And if you don't want this equation, just select this equation and press delete. It is not the, okay. Then let's see the next one. I hope you all understand how to insert new equation. Now after inserting new equation, let's see what is the next point. Next point is structures group and symbols group, okay. Now what is the use of structures group? This structures group will help you to construct what equation or equations, okay, by allowing to use what, or by using what, or by adding what the structure for equations, okay. Then next one, that is symbols group. Different types of symbols are present in symbols group, okay, and whenever it is required in equation, you can use those symbols, okay, because these symbols are few of them are present on what a keyboard, okay, but few of these are not present over what the keyboard. And if you want to use them, then you can use what these symbols from symbols group, okay, like greater than equal to, less than equal to, okay, then union, intersect, okay, not belongs to. So what these are, some symbols are not present over what the keyboard, and if you want to use those symbols in equation, you can use those symbols in equation, okay. Okay, then enough for today. Today we learn how to insert hyperlink, how to remove hyperlink, and how to insert equations, and what the symbols group and what the structure group. Okay, we learn what these points in this session. So enough for today. We'll see next point in our next session. I hope you all understand. If you have any problem, then drop your query over the WhatsApp group. Okay.